Hello everyone, I hope everybody is doing fine. In the last class, we have discussed about the permutation combinations, the basic meaning of permutation and combination. I believe we have noted it down. And now in this class, we'll be starting off with the exercise 7.1, okay, where we have to deal with solving of numericals using principle of counting. Now, what does principle of counting mean? Supposing I say there are 20 students in the class and I have 4 chocolates with me. Uh, I have to give 4 chocolates to each of the students. How many chocolates should I have? So it's 20 into 4, right? 80 chocolates I should have in order to give all the students 4 chocolates. So that is your principle of counting. Okay. Now, how many digits? Let's start off with the numerical. How many digits can be formed? Three digit number can be formed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Assuming that the repetitions of the digits are allowed. And second is repetition not allowed. Now, what does repetition allowed means? Repetition allowed means supposing a number is 112 or 111. This is a three-digit number chosen from digits 1 to 5. Clear? Now let's start off. Units place can be filled up in 5 ways, right or not? Because there are 5 numbers. Supposing there would be 10 numbers and 10 ways. Okay, 5 ways units place, and now repetitions since is allowed. Again, tens place can be filled up in another 5 ways. Suppose we fill up one, again we can fill up one because repetition is allowed according to question. And the third one, the tens 100 plates can be filled up in 5 ways. So in principle of by the principle we know it will be multiplied. Why multiplied? Because three-digit number is not over, right? We have to make a three-digit number. That is why when the condition is not over, we have to multiply, and when the conditions are over, we'll be doing numericals in later half. When the conditions are over, then the repetitions are, then we have to add. Okay, out here condition was to make a three-digit number. After the three-digit number has been made, you have to multiply all the ways. Clear? It's 125 ways. Now repetition of the digits are allowed, not allowed. Supposing we have these three spaces out in the units place, we can fill up in 5 ways. So after we have filled up in 5 ways, we are left with 4 numbers, right? Supposing I filled up 4 out here in the units place, we are left with 1, 2, 3, and 5. So tens place can be filled up in 4 ways, and now supposing we filled up 1, so you are left with 2, 3, and 5. So out here in the hundreds place can be filled up with only 3 ways. So you have to mention all these things when you're doing. Okay, it's 5 into 4 into 3, 60. Now you see the difference. When the repetitions are allowed, it's 125 ways. The repetition not allowed is 60 ways. Okay, that's what's for your question number 1. Make sure you understand each question very carefully. You have to read this and go through this, and make sure you copy maximum from this. You have to mention every point, and it should be better write in points rather than writing in paragraphs. You just write unit space can be filled up in 1 to 5 ways. Numbers are available, and since one number is chosen, tens place can be filled up in 4 ways, and similarly hundreds place can be chosen in 3 ways. So by the principle of multiplication, we know 5, 4, 3 is multiplied because 3 digits number is not over. Clear? That's it for question number 1. Now 3 digits even number from 1 to 3 4 5 6 digits can be repeated. Now even number, how can be determined the even number? The units place. Supposing 3 boxes are there, the units place can be filled up only using the even numbers 2, 4, 6, 8 or 0. These 5 even numbers are there. So out here you have to choose from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many even numbers are there? 1, 2, and 3. 2. Okay, so 3 ways are there to fill the units place. Now repeated allowed. So 6 ways are there, and hundreds place also 6 ways. 6 into 6 into 3. That will be your answer. 6 into 6 into 3. 108 ways a even number can be obtained by putting 1 to 6 numbers as well as repeating them. Had the repetition been not allowed, then it will be 3 into 5 into 4. Clear? Now how many 4-letter codes can be from 10 English alphabets? No letters can be repeated. 10 alphabets are there, so let the first position be filled up with 10 ways. Leftover is 9, as it's not repeated, so 9 into 8 into 7. 10 into 9 to 8 into 7, 5040. Now you'll say, sir, you have to multiply. Yes, you have to multiply because a 4-letter word has to be made. After the 4-letter word has been made, condition is over, you multiply the thing. Okay. Now question number 4. How many 5 digits telephone number can be constructed using the digits 0 to 9 if number starts from 67, and no repetition allowed? 0 to 9 there are 10 digits, 6 and 7 2 digits occupied, you're left with 8 digits. So 8 digits in the third position, 7 in the fifth, fourth, and the 6 in the fifth. So 6 into 7 into 8, 6 into 7 into 8, 336 ways. Clear? These are the repetitions allowed, not allowed. Okay, so try out question number 5 on your own. That will be your homework. Okay, tomorrow this exercise will be over. I will start off with the other exercise. Okay, so that's it for today's class. Thank you, class. Have a nice day. Make sure you copy all the examples as well and submit your assignments. Submission is of prior importance, as it will your internal marks will be depending on it. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Have a nice day. If any problem is faced, make sure you come and contact me using WhatsApp or in Google Classroom or in YouTube comment section, anyway. Okay, just make sure your problems are solved. So thank you, class. Have a nice day. Bye bye.